Gaming is evolving fast, and so are we. What started as simple lines of code is now becoming something more smarter than ever, something more alive. And it's all thanks to artificial intelligence. Welcome back, Techs and Tech Crew. This is your go-to channel for custom builds, deep dives into future tech, and discussions that matter to the gaming community. If you're new here, consider joining the crew by subscribing and hitting that like button. Today we're diving into how AI is changing the world of gaming, from game design to NPC behavior, and even how you play. Let's level up, guys. AI isn't new to gaming. It's been here since the arcade age. Think about those Ghosts in Pac-Man. They weren't just wandering around aimlessly. They had simple logic patterns. Then came turn-based games like Civilization, where the AI chose units and actions based on the program rules. AI back then was predictable. You could game the system, but it laid the groundwork for something way bigger, something more human-like. Jump to today. AI can learn, adapt, and even surprise us by creating crazy videos with simple prompts. In Alien Isolation, the Xenomorph uses two AI systems, one that tracks you while the other controls its behavior. It doesn't just follow a script, it evolves based on how you hide, run, or fight. Other games like Shadow of Mordor took it even further with the Nemesis system. Orcs remember you, they hold grudges, and they come back with scars and new ranks. It's personal, and it's all AI. AI driven NPCs aren't just background characters, they're a part of your story now, and every interaction becomes your own custom experience. Some parts of AI in games like Red Dead Redemption is witnessing a crime. If you commit a crime in front of an NPC, they will report you to the law. Or store owners. Storekeepers will remember you if you robbed them recently, leading to different interactions and potential restrictions. So AI has become almost mainstream in a lot of AAA titles now. And I can't wait to GTA 6 to see how Rockstar and Nate puts their version of AI into their new characters. Procedural generations gave us endless terrain. Games like No Man's Sky and Minecraft build universes with math. But AI adds another level to it. It can generate purpose, not just landscape. AI can write quests, create side characters, and shape lore dynamically. Some games use natural language models similar to the one you're hearing now to write dialogue on the fly. Imagine a game that remembers your background or changes the main questline based on your decisions. That's not just a game, that's a living, breathing simulation. AI is learning to cater to you. It watches how you play, learns your preferences, and changes things up. In Left 4 Dead, AI directors decide enemy waves based on player stress. In sports games like FIFA, AI opponents adapt to your formations. In RPG games, your past dialogue choices open new scenes. It's not one size fits all anymore. AI tailors the games to your style, making every journey unique. Aren't just using AI in games, they're using it to make games. AI speeds up animation, voice generation, environment design, and bug detection. Tools like Unity ML Agent or NVIDIA Ace makes it easier for small teams or solo creators to do what used to take dozens of people. This means faster games, more indie innovations, and massive creative freedom. As we embrace this future, we also face questions. Deepfake voices, AI generated content, player privacy. These are all serious questions that we have to get answers to. If an AI designs most of the games, who owns it? If it collects how you play, who controls that data? These are conversations we need to have. AI isn't evil per se, but like any tool, it depends on how you use it. Are you using it for good or evil? AI is reshaping gaming, and it's only getting started. We're looking at dynamic enemies, endless content, and games that feel as alive as we are. So, crew, what do you think? Exciting, terrifying, or both? Drop a comment down below and let's build this future together. This is Tex and Tech. I'm signing off. Stay smart, stay curious, and stay powered by the Tex and Tech crew. Peace, y'all.